Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. My name Mr. Hardish Kumar. Today we will discuss about the nature of magnetic material. Branch electrical engineering, subject electromagnetic field, or topic nature of magnetic material. Terms connected with magnetic material: magnetic force, magnetic flux density, magnetic field strength, relative permeability, absolute permeability, remains, retentivity, Curie temperature, hysteresis loop and losses. The magnetic material is generally we use of the high attractive magnet and can be becomes different type magnetic materials, in which case we have use of the relative permeability is less than, greater than or equal to, it depend on the field strength, and different type of sustainability. So the magnetic materials, first magnetic material, ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic material, a type of material that is highly attracted to magnet and can become permanently magnetized is called as ferromagnetic. The relative permeability is much greater than. So relative permeability क्या है इसकी? Greater than है, greater than unity and are dependent on the field strength. These have high susceptibilities. So this is the ferromagnetic material. The ferromagnetic material is generally greater than, much greater than of the relative permeability and high sustainability, in which case high attract of magnetic, in which case permanent magnetics. So this is called is the ferromagnetic materials, right? So for example, this is the ferromagnetic materials, in which case we have used of the ferromagnetic material different type. This is the FeCO, Ni, Cr, Mn are such material. This is the ferromagnetic of the material, ferromagnetic materials. ठीक. Next, paramagnetic materials. So paramagnetic material, it is a substance or body which very weakly attracted by the poles of a magnet but not retaining any permanent magnetism. These have relative permeability straightly greater than unity and are magnetized slightly. They attract the line of force weakly. This is the paramagnetic materials. So paramagnetic materials, it is a substance or body which are weakly attracted by the pole of magnets, in which case the retaining of permanent magnetism, the relative permeability is the slightly greater than unity and magnetized slightly, in which case they attract the line of force very weakly. This is the paramagnetic materials. For example, this is the paramagnetic material. This lines show of the paramagnetic material, in which case a flow of material, in which case different directions, and Al, Pt, Ca, O2 are such material. This is the paramagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials. The diamagnetic material It is a substance which created a magnetic field in opposite to an externally applied field. Susceptibility is negative. So these have relative permeability slightly less than unity. So they repel the line of force slightly. This is the relative permeability is slightly less than the unity. This is the diamagnetic materials. The example are bismuth, silver, copper and hydrogen. This is the diamagnetic materials. Right? So in which case flow of material in figure. Magnetically soft materials. Characteristics. First of all, they have high permeability. They have the high permeability. The magnetic energy stored is not high. They have negligible coercive force. They have low remanence. Hysteresis loop is narrow. This is the magnetically soft materials. Okay. For example, pure or ingot iron, cast iron, carbon steel, manganese, nickel, steel and so on. Magnetically hard material characteristics, they possess high value of BH product, high retentivity, high corrosivity, strong magnetic reluctance. Hysteresis loop is more rectangular in shape. Example, tungsten steel, cobalt steels or chromium steels and so on. This is the hard materials. This is the hysteresis loops. So hysteresis loop, in which case electrical field intensity and magnetic field intensity, magnetic flux density or magnetic field intensities. So in which case generally the flow of the loop, hysteresis loop, so remains and saturation cases of the in coercive forces be applied of this loops. So in which case the coercive force applied of the magnetic field intensity H and magnetic flux density B. Okay. So this diagram the flow of the in different regions. So this regions the use of the saturation region, in which case and this region is the remanence. So this is apply of the coercive forces in the hysteresis loop. Application: ferromagnetic material are used in magnetic recordings device such as for cassette tapes, floppy disk for computer and the magnetic strips on the back of credit card. This is the ferromagnetic material. And diamagnetic material are used for magnetic levitations where an object will be made to float in or above a strong magnet. Magnetic soft materials are used in making electromagnetic, and these electromagnetic are used in the telephone receiver, bells, loudspeaker and so on. Magnetic hard material are used in making permanent magnet. Thank you watching this video.